It really increased my reading speed, and the book which took 3 to 4 days for me to complete, now I can easily complete it in just one day. I have been using this Kindle 6th generation for now 6 months, and in this video I'm gonna share my experience with it and also gonna review it so you can decide about whether you should buy it or not. You might be thinking about what is the need to spend money on Kindle when we have our smartphone. But there is huge difference in reading on a smartphone and reading on a Kindle, and in this video I'm gonna talk about its benefits and few things which I liked about it. I also recommend you to wait for some sales if you are thinking of buying it. You will get a huge discount in sales like the Prime Day or in the Great Indian Festival. Let me show you some basic things about it quickly. So this is the Kindle 6th generation. I have also bought this one flip cover which automatically turns it on when you open it, but to just show you I have removed it. Its battery life is very good and you can read in it for a week without charging. At first you have to log in into your Amazon account in it. Since I'm using it for quite a long time, so I have already done these things. Now this is my library, or you can say the books which I currently have in this Kindle. Let me open any one of them. Let me open this Harry Potter one. So to increase the size of font you just have to zoom in, and to decrease the size of font you just have to zoom out. Now as in the case of increasing the brightness, you just have to click on the on its upper side, and by just going in the settings you can increase or decrease its brightness. For flipping the page, just click on the corner side or just simply slides it. It also shows you how much percentage of book you have gone through, and it also shows you the time left in the book. Just let me click here. It also shows you the time left in chapter or the time left in the book based on your reading speed. Another great feature is its dictionary. Let's say that I don't know the meaning of this word gazing. So what I have to do is just long press on it and it automatically opens the dictionary, and here it is showing me the meaning of the word which I do not know. And you can also add other dictionaries in it. I have added this Hindi English dictionary, or it has this inbuilt Oxford dictionary. You can also add other languages, dictionaries of other languages, and you can also web search this word on Wikipedia. Just you have to slide there and it is now searching on Wikipedia, and here it is showing my result on the Wikipedia. You can either buy book from this Kindle store, or you can also add your own PDF books to it. So now let's talk about its benefit or the reason why you should buy it. First of all, the best thing about this is that you can carry it wherever you want, and also you can store around 4,000 books in this basic version. This basic version comes with 8 GB of storage, and also this basic version has its own light, so you can also read in the night without any problem. The second thing is money. You can buy books on this Kindle at a very cheap price as compared to paperbacks. Ebooks generally cost you at least 10% less than paperbacks, and also you can read your own PDF books in this Kindle. The third thing, which is the most useful, is its dictionary. If you are a beginner, then it might be very frustrating for you to put aside your book and search the word every time when you came across some hard word, but this Kindle saves you a lot of time. You can just long press on the word and it will automatically show its meaning. The fourth thing is that you save paper by not buying the real paper books, and helps in preventing many trees from cutting. The fifth thing is that it does not affect your eyes. We usually spend a lot of times in front of screens like on laptops, tablets or on smartphones, which can be very bad for our eyes. But this Kindle comes with a totally different technology. I mean, look at this, isn't it look like a and I think that this is the best product a reader can have. That's all for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. And yeah, if you have any doubt about this Kindle, so you can just ask me in the comment section. I will happy to reply you.